In this video, I'll be using for the first time the Multigrinder 1.0 from SchleifJunkies. This is the first prototype of 5 made, and the only one currently in the US. Today we're going to capture some first impressions of the SchleifJunkies Multigrinder 1.0. We're going to do that by sharpening this Benchmade Triage that I carry every day, so it's pretty well beaten up. We're going to first capture some visuals off of it with the electronic microscope here, and then get you some actual data points off of the BESS tester. Although I carry this knife daily, it doesn't get a lot of love. And as you can see from this magnification and the BESS numbers, it's really considered to have a moderately rolled edge. The Multigrinder is extremely flexible in its simplistic design. In this case, I'm simply moving this stop, which also mounts the angle finder that was on the end of the push rod, to a more favorable location. Keeping in mind that this is an early prototype, I found the push rod to be a little sticky as it traveled through the eyelet. As a result, I placed a small amount of lubricant in the area in which it traveled through. And so we begin the sharpening process, and you'll notice some of the more intriguing features of the sharpener. The first is having the ability to rotate the fixture holding the knife up to 90 degrees in either direction, and the ability to slide the tower holding the push rod along the aluminum extruded rail in the back. In the base of the tower are little nylon sleeves, allowing it to slide really smoothly, which is a really nice touch. The base has a nice substantial weight to it, which gives the whole system a nice stable feel during use. There are many other ways to set the system up, like flipping the pivot upside down, allowing for greater angles if needed, and even bringing you down to 0 degrees. I'll demonstrate that stuff in a different video. All parts are finely machined and engineered in Germany under the guidance of Hans Plag, who owns SchleifJunkies, and an expert of various knife sharpening systems. He's leveraged those experiences to create this system that is more flexible than anything else out there. It's nice to know that Hans came from the direction of creating a system to deliver on the process of knife sharpening itself, and not sacrifice its function due to material cost or the need for mass production. To be released shortly are sharpening rods of varying diameters that will allow you to sharpen serrated edges, which I'll review as well once I get them in. The production version of this sharpening system will have more measurement guides, visuals along the base, and the fixture holding the knife, as well as powder-coated pieces to replace the anodized ones shown on this prototype. While I was able to secure special pricing for this prototype, the production models will be in the range of about $1,000 US. Here I've begun the lapping process, and here you can see under magnification the final results. As you can see from the BESS results, we brought the knife from a moderately rolled edge to that of a utility razor blade. I'm by no means an expert at this, and I'm certain you saw things that would give you a heart attack. I'm a firm believer in learning every day, so please leave a comment below if I egregiously offended you or the knife sharpening gods that be.